Hey, how's it going? Julio Lopez here. I haven't been here for a while, and this time I just here to present a project done in Java. This project is about a to-do list application that I did previously using only the CLI, and this time we're gonna try to utilize MySQL using the workbench to store whatever data we input into the to-do list. All right, for this project, I use Hibernate to communicate to MySQL instead of using, the regular MySQL scripts. So Hibernate is a nice tool that I can utilize IntelliJ to communicate with the database. In order to do that, I created here four Java files on the left and also having a configuration file where you're going to have the store the credentials to communicate with the database. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to explain what each of these files do, and then we're going to do some testing, and then we're going to see if the changes reflect on the MySQL workbench. So for the main Javas, this is the entry point of the application. This one is going to run the console menu. It reads the user input and also calls the correct methods from the to-do repository. The next one is the to-do item. This one defines the entity class that represents a single task. The to-do repository is the data access layer that has the CRUD functions right here, like delete, add, and so on. And the Hibernate utility, this one configure Hibernate. Technically, this one talks to having a configuration which is a medium to talk with the database on MySQL. All right, next I'm gonna show you how the database looks like. Let me see if I can find it here real quick. Let me just minimize this. It should be here though. Okay, as you can see right here, I created a to-do app or database with a table already. I already added some items for the to-do list. I want to explain a little bit how many columns or and what do they have. So the first one have the ID number, the second one the description. Pay attention to this because we're gonna be seeing this information on IntelliJ too. The third column is completed status, 0 if for not completed, 1 if for completed. And the last one is for the timestamp. So without further ado, let's go back to IntelliJ and do some testing using the CRUD function. Let's run the main right here and see if it goes through. There you go. So I have different CRUD functions right here. Let's try to add an item. So one, let's name it whatever comes in mind. Let's finish assignment by Friday. Friday, enter. All right. Next, I'm gonna try to list all the items. I'm supposed to have everything that I just showed you in the database plus the one that I just added, which and this one is gonna be option 2. Okay, we have buy a milk, pay tolls, go camping, um, fast until 12 p.m. Watch strong on Thursday, which I'm going on Thursday, and the one that I just added, finish assignment by Friday successfully. All right, let's delete one of these one that is no that is done already. Let's see, for example, camping. Let's try to delete that one, see if it works. So let's pick number 4, camping, delete. I need to delete. Camping is gonna be which one? Number 4. See if it works. Now let's see the list. Okay, I don't see any more in here. Now, is that the case on the database? We should see exactly this list on the database. Let's go back to the database, see what we're gonna see. So we still have the same data as before, so I had to kind of refresh it, which I can do it right here real quick. It should display the new information. So I have right here that, yeah, Go Camping was deleted from the database, and I have finished assignment by Friday, currently displayed here. Now let's try to complete one of these one, because the only one that is complete is Buy the Milk. Let's say, which I already fast today. Let's try to complete this one, see if it reflects one right here. Let's go back to IntelliJ. If I can find it though. Yeah, it should be here though. There you go. So we're gonna try to complete, which is option 3. And he's asking me here for the number, or the ID number, which is, I wanna finish fasting. Number 6, enter. Let's see the list again. Yeah, it's showing done right here. So it's showing 2 items done. It should reflect as number 1 on the database. Let's see if ID number 6 is done on the database. So I'm gonna minimize in here, gonna refresh in here, done here, refresh, and fast until 12 p.m. number 1, which is the equivalent of done. Perfect. I'm very happy with the results. Okay, I just gonna wrap it here. Yeah, I won't make it as longer. It's not necessary, but yeah, it's just a simple task to see how it goes. As time goes by, we're gonna add complex tasks on it, and and do some confirmation in both end. Probably, let's see, we can add the front end, a really nice UI to interact with the database too as well. So, and that's about it. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, you can contact me to my personal website, which is lopezbio.com. Again, lopezbio.com. I'm there. You can, write me an email. You can contact me on my social media, especially on LinkedIn. I usually respond to emails easier, but you can add me also on LinkedIn if you wish, though. So, with no further ado, have a good one.